So this was all done by really brilliant people at home after work. So the animator, the writer, the director all did Toy Story 2s and Spider-Verse and Space Jam and all these incredible movies. And the people that we got to do the voices, everybody just did it because they thought that it was different and fun, and we all wanted to do it for the right reasons. And it brings ownership of content back to the artist and cuts out the middleman. And so if people like the NFTs and they buy it as tokens, then more shows will be made.
We have a picture too of your character.
Fifi, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, she's real cute, guys.
Hey, hey! Shut up, Meg.
Start this. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here to help you make sense of NFTs as your no-shill resource. For this video, we'll go over Stoner Cat's NFTs. Let's go over frequently asked questions about the project and the storyline so far with Stoner Cats, and also an interesting breakdown of the team involved. What is Stoner Cat's NFTs? It is a web series from Orchard Farm Productions. Well, according to Mila Kunis' interview, she got into cryptocurrency during the pandemic, which was just last year, it wasn't that long ago, and wanted to explore NFTs. The NFT utility for this is access to watch exclusive content from the Stoner Cats animation team. This project feels like Kickstarter for Web3 because the NFT is your ticket to go behind the scenes. Stoner Cats wants to pave the way for fan-driven, creator-friendly content. So it's much like the last video I did with Micah Johnson and what he's been up to with Aku World. Now, they believe that content creators and fans can connect. You know, all the good copy is included in their website if you want to read about the project. Now, being a part of the content creation process, that's something I want to address because they already have the script laid out and all the episodes shot, and also the voice actors and actresses selected. I'm not too sure how the Genesis NFT makes us a part of that process. My best guess is it will be implemented in future seasons and episodes. So their mission and utility is access to watch exclusive content. It's stated that once the project hits certain milestones, it will develop new shows, and they'll continue doing this with the same model. With NFTs at this moment, I'm sure it will definitely sell out. This project feels very similar to Gary Vee's VeeFriends, where it will onboard a lot of muggles into this space. Now, I use muggles, the term muggles, in reference to people unfamiliar with non-fungible tokens or cryptocurrencies, you know, NFTs and all that. The NFT is priced in at 0.35 ETH, which at the time of this recording is about $820, not including gas. Gas or fees for any transaction that you want to send on Ethereum. So much like why I invested in Punk's comic, you can see that video if you're interested. I'll most likely mint 1 or 2 of these, depending on how high the gas is, and I'd be happy with just 1. The storyline is simple. So far, the art is entertaining. It has classic Disney vibes. The cast is top of the line with Mila Kunis, Ashton Kutcher, Seth MacFarlane, Chris Rock, Jane Fonda, and yup, Mr. Vitalik Buterin himself as Lord Cassington. Each episode will be 5 to 7 minutes long. The first season remains fairly contained within Miss Stone's home and neighborhood. Now, the show was created by Chris, Sarah, and Ash. Their work ranges from Happy Feet down to Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse, and Toy Story 2. Now, that is the creative team behind Stoner Cats. Let's deep dive a bit more on the 3 other people involved. Now, Mac Flavell is the co-founder and chief creative officer at CryptoKitties, and also the founder of Hammer and Tusk AVR Studio. Didn't really look much into Mac, but his involvement in CryptoKitties and starting a virtual reality studio is a good look if you want to think beyond just the web series, because it pushes forward with that creativity of what the show can accomplish. Next up is we have Mila Kunis' partner at Orchard Farm, Lisa Strekbakov. Now, back in 2017, they had a deal with Freeform to put in development Hunted. a drama series. I don't think it ever got made, which I'm sure happens a lot in Hollywood. So 5 years later, guess what, Hollywood? NFTs. They're taking creative reins into their own hands. Then lastly, we have Maria, self-proclaimed NFT fangirl, according to her interview on the NFX podcast, which I'll definitely link below for those that want to listen to them. She's an early stage venture investor at Sound Ventures. It's interesting to see that she received a subduct from Frankie Nines and also some Bored Ape Yacht Club from Jimmy, which I'm sure is probably normal. They're probably doing their drop on NFT 42. There will be a total of 10,420 NFTs. There's a total of 7 characters. Each new character introduced will be another 1,000 NFTs released. And for season 1, they plan to introduce a total of 3 characters. So the final count will most likely be 13,420 NFTs. So at 0.35 ETH, that'll come to about 4,697 ETH for season 1 of Stoner Cats. Now, the collectible isn't just an NFT generative art, it's an access token much like VFriends creating in real life utility. Stoner Cats has the same plan with bringing value back to NFT holders. As of this recording, I have no Stoner Cat NFTs. This video is for you to learn more a bit about the project based off of my own research. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you plan to mint or is this a pass. The team behind it is solid and it really depends on the community outlook and overview if it will determine the success and pressure that they'll receive for season 2. For the next video that I want to do, it is going to be an update on the current state of NBA Top Shot. Lastly, don't forget to tap that thumbs up for this video because it's helpful for me and it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Sound off below in the comments if you think Stoner Cats is a cash grab or are they actually building something special. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get the latest news, trends, and breakdown about new NFTs dropping. By the way, you could get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin from BlockFi or money for stocks from Public. Check out the links in the descriptions below. Lastly, speaking of checking things out, check out my other videos to see what YouTube is recommending for you. Stay legendary and I'll see you in the next video.